Hello friends, I'm back with another video from Montreal. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button to support me. As you can tell from the title of this video, today we are going to have a walking tour of the beautiful city of Montreal. So, come along with me, and I'll give you more details as we go. The street I'm walking on right now is Ontario Street in Montreal. The interesting thing is that Ontario is actually one of Canada's provinces, yet they've chosen this name for a street here in the French-speaking city of Montreal. As you know, Ontario is the most important province in Canada, mainly because it's home to the nation's capital, Ottawa, as well as Canada's largest and most populous city, Toronto. Anyway, putting those facts aside, take a look around Ontario Street and enjoy this walk on a relatively cold but sunny day in Montreal. I recorded this video back in March 2024. This specific section, where I'm walking, is actually the eastern part of Ontario Street, and this area of Montreal is heavily French-speaking. I should probably give you a quick breakdown of Montreal's layout. If you are a French speaker, or simply love the French language, the eastern part of the city is the place to be. In this area, the majority of people speak French, and some might not even speak much English. However, as you move closer to downtown and the central areas, the English-speaking population increases, and in the west end of Montreal, most people primarily speak English. As an Iranian, through my connections with the Iranian community in Montreal, I knew that most Iranians live in the western part of the city, especially in the West Island, which is a predominantly English-speaking area. Learning French was tough for many Iranians, including myself, because I had never studied it in school, and the language felt completely unfamiliar and difficult. French speakers might not like hearing this, but in my opinion, Montreal is a much easier city to adapt to for French-speaking immigrants from North Africa and Lebanon. Even all the street signs here are exclusively in French. Given that in many cities in Ontario, signs are bilingual, maybe it would be better if Montreal followed suit and showed a bit more consideration for those who don't speak French. Hey guys, let's step away from the English versus French topic for a moment, and just enjoy walking down the eastern part of Ontario Street, and watching the people on this beautiful sunny day. I lived in this part of Montreal for a while, so I've walked this street countless times, and know its different sections very well. This street actually stretches all the way to downtown Montreal, but our walk in this video will be shorter. There are a few metro stations from Montreal's Green Line located on this street. To give you some context, Montreal has two main long metro lines, the Green Line, which runs east to west, and the Orange Line, which is shaped like a U, running from the north down to the city center, and then heading back up north on the other side. There's also a shorter blue line that intersects with the Orange Line at two stations. Of course, the Green Line also intersects with the Orange Line at two different stations. Overall, Montreal's metro system is excellent and covers most parts of the city. When I lived in Montreal, I used the metro all the time. Alright guys, in this final part of the video, you can see a green space in front of a government building. It looks a lot like European architecture, and I've always really liked this building. To the right of it, there's a local market that sells fresh baked goods, fruits, and vegetables, but it's pretty pricey. There's also a cafe there that happened to be closed that day. I actually shot some footage of this market, which I'll be sharing with you in a future video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.